Hello everyone, this is Rob Van Bergen from Pain Free for Life, and today I'm here to talk about the Avazzia Life Evolution and how it will revolutionize your healing. The Evolution is the premier home microcurrent machine for vagus nerve stimulation, systemic neurofeedback, scar tissue, inflammation, needle-free acupuncture, biofeedback, and more. Used by home users and professionals alike, this device is truly a quantum leap beyond previous generations of home-use microcurrent machines. It treats a broader variety of conditions than previous models and can execute more of the core protocols within the Hash-A protocol. We're going to take a look at the Evolution device and the attachments that come with the different kit variants. So this is your Avazzia Life Evolution. It's battery operated by two AA batteries, which will give you between 2 weeks to a month worth of charge before you have to switch them out, depending on how frequently you use the device. The device is equipped with 8 programs capable of a variety of different things, which we've covered briefly, but we'll go into more detail momentarily. And it's also equipped with built-in electrodes. Now, this is quite rare in many microcurrent machines. This means that with just this device, no other accessories, you can treat your body and you'll be able to deliver microcurrent into the skin. There is also an accessory port on the side here, which will enable you to plug in any of the accessories on the sanashop.com and use them with your device. So there are 2 different kits, different versions of the kits for the Evolution, the Classic Kit and the Deluxe Kit. This often creates a lot of confusion for people because they're kind of wondering what the difference is. So first thing, to get the question out of the way, whether you get the Classic or the Deluxe version, you still have all 8 programs included in the Avazzia Life Evolution. So you don't lose any flexibility in the ability of the device itself. You can also buy the accessories that are available in the Deluxe Kit separately if you want to, though it does cost a bit more down the line. The Classic Kit comes with what we consider to be the bare minimum that you need to be able to use your Avazzia Life Evolution and get the resolution that you're looking for. So first, of course, you get your Avazzia Life Evolution device. You also get the wire required to connect some conductive pads, which also come with the machine. These are standard TENS pads, though I would say their quality is a little bit above what you would find on the standard TENS devices. These pads will last between 40 and 50 uses per pair before needing to be replaced, and you have 2 pairs. Now, you don't need any other accessories because you do have the built-in Electrode, which will allow you to paint over the body, but they are appreciated by some people. The kit also contains a small zipper pouch, which has a belt loop right here on the back, and you'll be able to put your device in it, run pads on your body while walking around, and just to keep your device safe. Now, both devices, whether it's the Classic Kit or the Deluxe Kit, come with our manual. So this is the official user's guide. This book is about 58 pages long. It includes protocols, fully illustrated protocols, written in a step-by-step mode to enable you to just follow the bulleted instructions, steps 1 through 4, to turn on your device and complete the protocol based on treatment areas. It also contains trigger point charts. These charts mean that if your pain isn't being resolved by treating the area, this book can guide you to finding where the pain is being referred from so that you can resolve it. You will also get a card in the kit. You want to make sure you don't throw this card out. This card has your training access link on the bottom. So when you've got this, if you type in the link on the bottom here, you'll be able to access 60 days in our training library free of charge. There's over 220 videos in there for different conditions. So whatever your ailment is, you'd be able to find a microcurrent protocol for it and put it into action. So that's the Classic Kit. The Deluxe Kit contains some extra bits. First is the Y Electrode. Now, the Y Electrode is the most popular accessory that we have. Essentially, the reason is that it gives you extended reach. So if you're treating your own legs, for example, or your own back, you're able to do so very easily. They also have these stainless steel balls on the end glide very nicely over the skin. meaning that treatment is just more comfortable to do, and it helps you to work out those areas that you need to work out. Now, also, because of the pressure you can apply here, you can get it to fit around joints, on fingers, up into areas that the flat built-in electrode simply wouldn't wrap around. So in general, people find this accessory very, very useful, and you will probably end up using it for 80 to 90% of all treatments that you do with the device. The next accessory included in the deluxe kit is the brush electrode. So this is a conductive brush, plugs in just like the Y electrode, and it enables you to treat through hair, through beards, hairy arms or legs, or anywhere really where you need to get through hair in order to get skin to electrode contact. This is also used by a lot of people for their pets, meaning that you can then use your Avazzia Life Evolution on your cat, your dog, or even your horse and get the microcurrent frequencies to the skin. The kit also includes a pencil electrode. The pencil electrode is used primarily for acupuncture points and being able to stimulate those meridians, but it can also fit into some nice small areas, like in the gap here between the nose, and just onto small areas that you want to treat, really focused areas of pain. The deluxe kit also includes ear clips. Now these are designed to be able to make use of the brain frequencies in your Avazzia Life Evolution. You can clip these ear clips to your earlobes, plug them in to your wire, and plug them into the device, and you can essentially put alpha brainwaves into your body, meaning that your stress levels should drop, and in the stress levels dropping, your inflammation should decrease as well. You have to be careful to use the right program here, but the instructions are very clear as to which program will work for the ear clips. Some people will even sleep with their ear clips all night if they have insomnia to make sure that they can fall asleep and stay asleep. You'll also receive a vagus nerve conductive pad. So this is a sticky pad which has been designed to mimic the Y electrode in its gap here. Now we use both the Y electrode or the pad for vagus nerve stimulation, and this will enable you to do hands-free vagus nerve stimulation. So you'll be able to just stick it on your neck and move around doing what you need to do. We also have these conductive pads. We call these our trigeminal pads. These go over your eyebrows here, and they're used for a variety of treatments, including mental energy and detoxing memory issues, etc., things like that. The kit also comes in this bigger case, which you can see here, with a zipper pouch and lots of room for all of your accessories. Everything, including the manual, will fit snugly inside this case, so you just have it all tucked away in one place and you can access it whenever you need. Any of the other accessories that are not available in the kit can be purchased on thesoundofshop.com, and they will work with this device. We find that most people prefer the deluxe kit because you've really got options in there for anything that arises as it arises. But the classic kit is there for people that are just looking for the basics, the entry level of this top-of-the-line home user microcurrent machine. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions about this device or any of the accessories that we've covered, you can drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.